Hello, I'm going to show you how to program a key from BMW 3 series. In the first time you have to working from within the vehicle and with the doors shut. You can try two methods. If method 1 don't work, you can try method 2. So method 1, you turn ignition to position 1 and back off within 5 seconds. So you put the key in the ignition and you back off within 5 seconds. 3. You remove the key from ignition and press and hold the unlock buttons for 15 seconds. During this time, press the key locks button 3 times within 5 seconds. So you have to press this button during 15 seconds, and in the same time you push 3 times this button, and when we are in the third time you have to release the two buttons in the same time. Okay, so you push and hold this button, and after you push 1, 2, 3, and in 3 you release the two buttons in the same time. Okay, and when doors will lock and unlock to show correct programming has occurred. Okay, this is a method to show you how to program your key from BMW Series 3. I show you method 1, but you can try method 2 if it doesn't work method 1. In the method 2, you have to turn the key to position 1 and back off 5 times very quickly. Okay, so it is here. You have the key in the ignition and you have to turn the key to position 1. It's the position before you start. You don't have to start. And you back off. You put the key in the ignition, you turn 1 time and you back off, and you do this 5 times very quickly. Okay, it is like that. You have your key, for example, it's your key, tack 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 5 times, and in 5 times you have in off, and you can remove the key from ignition in the 5 times. So you put the key, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.